Installation method for Dashcam app. Opening File Management in the menu. Click on USB device. Click on Fedvar APK to install it. After installation is complete, open the UCam app in the menu to start using it. Dashcam recording video. Dashcam 8 is lane departure warning screen. Installation process of the Dashcam.